Hello, my friends. Welcome to our class. It's grammar time. Today we are going to speak about the modal verb can. Take your grammar notebooks and take your pens. So we use the verb can to talk about the ability to ask for permission and to give permission. For example, ability. Look. He can run. Ask for permission. Look. The girls asks. Can I answer? Give permission. The teacher says. Yes, you can. You can answer the question. So, this is verb. In positive sentences we say I can plus verb. You can plus verb. He can plus verb. She can plus verb. It can plus verb. We can plus verb. You can plus verb. They can plus verb. In negative sentences, we use can't or cannot. I can't plus verb. You cannot plus verb. He can't plus verb. She cannot plus verb. It can't plus verb. We cannot plus verb. You can't plus verb. They cannot plus verb. In questions we use can. Can I plus verb? Can you plus verb? Can he plus verb? Can she plus verb? Can it plus verb? Can we plus verb? Can you plus verb? Can they plus verb? Short answers. Yes, I can. Yes, you can. Yes, he can. Yes, she can. Yes, it can. Yes, we can. Yes, you can. Yes, they can. No, I can't. No, you can't. No, he can't. No, she can't. No, it can't. No, we can't. No, you can't. No, they can't.
Hi, everyone, welcome to our talent show. Hello, Sarah.
Hi. John.
What can you do?
I can sing and play the guitar.
Nice to meet you, Lolly.
Hi John, nice to meet you, too.
What can you do?
I can fly.
What?
Look.
Whoa!
Hi guys. Nice to meet you.
Hello,
everybody.
What can you do?
We can dance.
This is the end. Thanks for watching.